A sneeze can travel at 100 miles per hour. Imagine that oomph. Today on Science Simplified, we'll explore the fascinating world of sneezes. Dr. Emily Harris, a biologist, hated catching colds due to sneezing, but discovered it's your body's way of protecting you. Her aha moment. When she learned about sneezes' speed and its job of clearing irritants, she turned her annoyance into appreciation. Sneezes are like mini biological defenses with turbo boost power, keeping us healthy by expelling unwanted guests at 100 mph. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your superhero moment, even if it doesn't come with a cape. Embrace the power of the sneeze.